This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Dana Nelson. Year-round deep water, end-of-road privacy, 1.48 acres, level gentle, unrestricted. Listen to the birds sing in this quiet refuge. Beautiful low-maintenance home with garden spot, close to town, hospital, shopping, post office. 4-bedroom/3 bath, plus office. Spacious great room, vaulted ceilings, vented stack stone fireplace with gas logs. Large master suite on main floor, includes laundry closet, walk-in closet and separate toilet. Covered porch with year-round lake view. Easy access to the lake and town. Carport and drive-under garage. 300 feet deep well or public water. Generac generator. Complete apartment with lake view on terrace level, great long-term or short-term rental. Call me today for more information.